I'm coming in loud and clear. Might hear me on the radio. Breaker, breaker, 19. Anybody got their ears on?
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Before I get started on tonight's video, remember I've got a second channel, Farpoint Farms Restorations and Repairs, and we got a brand new website, www.farpointfarms with an S at the end.com. Love to see you head over there and check out the forums we have over there, and of course check out the second channel. A lot of cool content over there as well. But now on to tonight's video, the Seodon. We got long-range communications, and that's what I needed for a upcoming trip. So let's go ahead. It was a 2-pack. I will of course leave a link to where you guys can find these, but these are a nice inexpensive set of FRS radios that you could pick up and have as a, an emergency backup, which is kind of nice to have. They are basic units, which is just what I was looking for. The model SED08, and you can see the frequency there, 400 to 470. So perfect. Right? Just what I was looking for. I didn't want anything overly complex. I just wanted something that was going to be able to put together and work, and that is exactly what I can do with these. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and unpack them. I'll lay them out, and we'll do a little range test. Let's do it. Okay, so we got them all hooked up. A couple of surprises. So it does come with Vox setup, your earbuds and a clip-on mic. So that's kind of cool, but check them out. It also came with 2 spare batteries, so both of them have batteries in it. That's a nice little thing they got going on here. Nice plug-in stands, no USB, which I'll be honest with you, I prefer this type of stand. But not bad overall. We got some clips here for our belts. We got a little wrist, and of course the main unit here, push to talk function. And if we flip that open, we have access to the ear and the microphone. Volume on and off. And then channels.
1, 5, 16.
16 channels altogether, FRS radios. Turn that back off for right now. We'll do a little range test here, or do an audio quality test. But let's take a look at this. Here's our manual. And 400 to 470, 16 channels. 50 groups CT CSS, 105 groups of standard DCS, timeout time, so time on talk, so if we press down on that for too long, it'll shut off automatically. Battery saving function, alarm function, rapid charge, and programmable. Catch that. So I can change the channels if needed and use it for whatever I need it to be used for. And I'm probably, after this trip, I'll change them to the frequencies that I use here on the farm, so that's kind of nice. And some specs here. 1.2 amps transmitting current, 5 watts output, so there you go, 5 watts, not bad. Sensitivity ratings, all that good stuff. All right, very cool. So let's do it. I'm going to turn this on.
Power on. Walkie. 1.
I'm going to keep it on channel 1. I'm going to turn this one on.
Power on. 1.
Hello. And I'm going to take a walk. Let's see how she sounds.
So we are at 0 range. Got a lot of snow last night. Well, not a lot, but enough to cover the roads. And to go down and check on the chickens, see how they're doing. So we'll take this thing for a walk, and hopefully I don't break my legs doing that, because it is, is that full of ice. The good news is the sun is out, so hopefully this stuff will thaw off pretty quick. But this driveway looks like a good day not to go to work, that's for sure. All right, we're about 100, 125 feet away from the house now, or from the garage, the shop, and heading on down. Man, I should have put a jacket on. It's supposed to warm up this afternoon, but it sure hasn't right now. I do have long underwear on, but holy cow, that breeze is blowing right now, I can tell you what. All right, about 250 feet down now, and a lot of deer track through the yard. You can see it. Anytime we get fresh snow, it's always cool to see what animals are crawling around. Lots of rabbits up here. Of course, coyotes occasionally, but this morning it looks like rabbits and plenty of deer rolling through the area overnight. Once the snow stopped, it was, I think, about 2 a.m., things finally wrapped up around here. Cool. Well, all right, we're down to, I'd say, 500 feet, almost at the chickens, and we'll take a look and see how they're doing right now. And I guess that'll about wrap it up. It's the Seodon that's FRS radios, the nice 5-watt radios. comes with that spare set of batteries and the ear/mic setup, which makes it kind of a cool setup. Now, these are entry-level radios, but I'll tell you what, it's like every house should have a set of walkie-talkies like this. They're just something you probably ought to have in inventory if you, if you're out on the farm, if you have a family, and you guys go out to, a park or something like that. You want the kids to run around. Well, this is a perfect way to keep in touch. Till next time, my friends. Take care.